This is a cedar stump that I got from my sister's house back, I think, probably March. And it's still fairly heavy, so I'm sure it's not dry, but I think I may try to cut part of this end off here and see what I can do with it. I've already used some of these limbs that came off, and they were dry. If you followed my channel for a while, you know that I make Christmas gifts for my family, and I used some of that to make Christmas gifts, which I just finished, and that video was done, but I can't post it until close to Christmas after I've given the gifts out. So let's cut this up and see what we can do with it.